Hello all, hello zusammen, hello German enthusiasts, hello German students, hello German teachers, all the other students, all the friends who are watching this video, all hello to all of you. In one of the videos, I discussed the accusative case and the accusative pronouns. Now, today in this video, I discussed the accusative form, the dative form, dative case in German, dative pronouns. So what happens in the dative case in the previous video, if you have followed the previous video, we are going to discuss the dative case today. We are going to take things further. We did accusative, now we are going to do dative. So we learned a subject, verb, object. Now in technical way, if you say the case does not exist in English, indirect object happens in German. This is the dative case, technically called as indirect object. We are not going to study that or that indirect object, this and that. Simple solution to this problem to understand the dative case is the German dative verbs first and the German dative prepositions. Only two cases, remember guys. So great secret I'm sharing with you all. German dative verbs and dative prepositions. Two things, and you have the dative case with you. Indirect object hai, ye hai. Of course, there are some things to be discussed further. Dative verbs will follow the dative case. Dative prepositions will follow the dative case. For example, we have the verb helfen. Last time in the accusative pronoun video, we discussed the verb lieben to love. In this case, we take a common verb helfen. Helfen to help is a dative verb. Helfen. We have a list of dative verbs. You need to auswendig lernen. You need to by heart it. By heart. You have to by heart the verbs, dative verbs. Helfen, gratulieren, some of them. Empfehlen, vorschlagen, glauben. Okay, some of the dative verbs which follow the dative case. So we say this is similarly in the case of the accusative, we discussed the accusative. Here we discussed the dative. We say, I help you. First letters from the table. We have nominative ish. Accusative becomes mish. Dative becomes mir. Ish, mish, mir. Du, dish, dear. D-I-R, dear. Er, in, im. I-H-M, im. Sie, sie, ihr. S, ihm. H-I-H-M, ihm. In the dative form. Wir, uns. Ihr, euch. Sie, ihnen. I capital, I-H-N-E-N, ihnen. Sie, they, them. Genitive form, again, ihnen, I small. Ihnen, I capital for formal U. Ihnen, I small for them. That you, them. Let us make sentences which helpen. I help you. I am helping you. I want to help you. We did modal verbs, but we'll just understand for today's case. We concentrate only on the pronouns. I help you. I am helping you. Ich helfe dir. Ich helfe dir. He is helping me. Er hilft mir. Mich, mir. Er hilft mir. Ich helfe dir. Sie hilft him. She helps him. It helps. Now it is neutral case. Dative case, you understand people, most of the times it will direct to a living being. So it becomes difficult. We have the mention noun. Ich liebe, what to say, ich helfe, we have the dative form, right? S becomes ihm. So I help it. So ich helfe ihm. So for now just consider the form. Examples later. We have wir, uns. So she helps us. Sie hilft uns. I help you all. You plural. Ich helfe euch. Ich helfe euch. I help you, formal. I help you, sir. Ich helfe Ihnen. I capital H-N-E-N. Ihnen. Ich helfe Ihnen. I help them. Ich helfe Ihnen. I small. Ihnen. I-H-N-E-N. Ihnen. Ich helfe Ihnen. So we understood this concept. We have the accusative case, the dative case, and then the genitive case. We discussed the accusative case previously. We just need to concentrate on the verb. It is dative verb? No. Then it is the accusative verb. Dative verb list needs to be by-hearted, people. It has to be by-hearted. Helfen, gratulieren, glauben, vorschlagen, empfehlen. We have bringen. We have many other verbs. One short thing I need to include in this video. There are sentences in which you will find both the cases, dative and the accusative case. Dative and the accusative case. This, for example, we say verb geben. Geben is dative plus accusative. We say, ich gebe dir einen Kuli. In this case, einen Kuli is a non-living object, so it is following the accusative form. I help you. I give you a pen. Ich gebe dir dative einen Kuli. So if you see the dative verb, you cannot help a chair, you cannot help a table, you cannot help a wall, you cannot help a non-living thing. Most of the times, dative case will direct to a person, a living being. Most of the times, not all the times. Most probably when the verb geben comes or the sagen where accusative dative, don't know a sentence, both the things come in a sentence. Is sage dir eine Geschichte. I am telling you a story. Sage dir is a dative form, eine Geschichte is the accusative form. We discuss that in detail later. One more thing I need to include in this video. Dative case, as I mentioned in the beginning, dative verbs and the dative prepositions. So we have prepositions like mit, we have preposition like von, preposition like nach, aus. All these prepositions, if you are a student in German, we have heard this in beginning. These prepositions will follow the dative case after them. For example, ich gehe mit dir. So mit is a dative preposition. So ich, mich, mir. So mir dative form, dir. Dative case means dative verbs and dative prepositions. Remember that. You need to by heart the dative prepositions. You need to by heart the dative verb. There is no other option. One hint I can give you: to whom, for whom. But many times German language will not follow to whom, for whom. I help to you, I give to you, which is not the case in English. To you doesn't mean, so it doesn't match exactly in the German version. So you have to be careful. So the simple option that is to by heart the dative verbs. And very common verbs of list of verbs you need to by heart. In case there is a rare verb which we do not know, to whom, for whom is a logic. These things will get further, research will go further and further. But for now, remember, for the till B2, C1, C2, you will need this. By heart the dative verbs, by heart the dative prepositions. That's it. Dative prepositions will be followed by the dative form of the pronoun dir, ihm, ihnen, mir, all that. Yeah. So after that prepositions and verbs, ich helfe dir, I congratulate you, ich gratuliere dir, ich gratuliere ihnen, I congratulate you, respect. So this video was preferably to tell you the dative pronouns, personal pronouns, so understand that. So dative verbs will give you the dative form of the pronoun, and dative prepositions will be followed by the dative pronoun. I hope you understood this video. I will get to take things further after this, discuss more examples. For now, bye. Tschüss. Thank you, Thermos Infosoft. Thank you, Kunal, and thank you all of you. Vielen Dank.